you want to do so many tasks during one day but you ended up doing nothing, if you have already planned what you want to do during the next day but you ended up losing your motivation because you feel a little bit like you are getting overwhelmed, then this video is for you, baby. Hello, beautiful people. Hi, it's Nour here. Welcome back to my channel. Today it's Tuesday, which means happy Tuesday, by the way. Tuesday tips with Nour. Anywhoosie, if you are new here, hi. Welcome, subscribe down below. How's that? Good. Anyway, so if you're new here, let me explain to you the concept of Tuesday Tips with Nour. Every Tuesday, I sit down and I make a short video, usually 5, 6, 7, 8 minutes long, where I share with you a quick tip about self-love, self-care, self-development, literally anything that can make you feel happy and become a better person, because you deserve it. Anyway, so today's tip is about how to get things done without feeling overwhelmed. I know, I totally get it, and I totally get you. And I'm here to tell you that you are not alone, because I've been struggling and going through the same thing for years now, until I actually found out one day the things that I was doing wrong, and also I found out how to fix them. So I thought it would be helpful for you to know these tips, since they really worked for me, and they will certainly work for you too. So if you want to know how to get things done without feeling overwhelmed, then let's roll, shall we? Let's roll. Hello again, it's me on the voiceover, and I'm here to tell you one thing. Grab a paper and a pen and write down everything that's on your mind, like all the things that you want to do. This step is called brain decluttering. Just writing things down, getting them out of your head and in a paper makes it a little bit more organized. You may feel overwhelmed seeing it all, but that's where the next step comes in. Prioritize and organize. Now that you have all the things laid down in front of you, it's time to prioritize. Start by putting them in categories. Then put them all in order by time. What needs to be done first and what needs to be done now. Next, turn it into a daily routine. Using your planner should become a part of your daily routine. I always spend 5 to 10 minutes at the end of my day to plan for tomorrow. Pick a time of day when you have a few extra minutes to write down your notes and plans for the upcoming day. In the afternoon, I always check my planner to see what I have accomplished and what still needs attention. Then, write only 3 to 5 tasks on your daily to-do list. The best way to get overwhelmed actually with planning is by trying to do everything. You don't need to do it all. You just need to focus and finish on one thing at a time. When making your to-do list every night, think of the 3 biggest things, or maybe 5, that absolutely needs to be done and which will help you move you closer to the results you want. That's it. Don't you feel less overwhelmed right now? I mean, you're welcome. That's it, you guys. That's the end of this video. I hope you find it a little bit helpful, that you now know how to get things done without feeling overwhelmed, because I really don't want you guys to feel overwhelmed. I want you to feel happy and beautiful and mostly safe. So stay safe during these times. I also hope that this video was a little bit entertaining for you, because why not? As always, you guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel till I drop a new one. Bye.